Yeah, I thought we were also sharp, right? But if you think about it, there's no Stan Hardinger, no Pringle, so they've got a lot of injuries on that side too. But we were pretty solid all around. I think what was nice was even whoever came in contributed, and they were, in fairness to the team, they were sharp. What I liked about CJ today was he only had 10 attempts, but he was plus 24. So, he was probing, he was attacking. He's starting to get the feel of, Coach Nenad's system. And, he's always telling him all to try to be a two-way player. But overall, I think other guys chipped in also. I'm proud of this guy, but guys like Alvin also, Pascal played well.
Thank you, Coach. Looking forward naman, how do you plan to prepare for the playoffs? Of course, we know it's a completely different atmosphere. Any preparations and adjustments for the team that you learned in the
Yeah,
playoffs?
this can be a false sense of security for us kasi Terra Firma's out. You see the game before when we play Converge and there's something on the line. Converge played with the end. That second half for Converge, they played at a different level because it was a kind of like a do or die game for them. But this we can feel good about it because we have to sharpen the saw for us. We have PBA playoffs coming. We have ESL, but I think Terra Firma also, if you look at it, it's their last game. There's really nothing to play for, so we have to be careful with that, right? We were sharp. Obviously, them, it's their last game, and they had injuries.
Thank you, Coach. Moving over to CJ. Career high last game and then ngayon getting best player of the game. Anong pakiramdam? Anong nasa isip mo? Contributing this much to your team.
Well, una sa lahat, sobrang happy ko kasi nakukuha ko na yung game ng PBA, yung system ni Coach Nenad. And naging patient kasi sila sa akin, yung mga coaches. Lagi nila ako tinuturuan kung paano yung mga decision making. And sobrang happy ko na nakuha ko yung timing before the playoffs. So sana sa playoffs, maging mas consistent ako. Kasi feeling ko makakatulong ako sa team.
CJ, walk us through how you find your PBA career so far as a rookie and saan mo nakukuha yung confidence mo?
Well, yung confidence ko nakukuha ko sa mga teammates and coaches ko eh. Kasi kahit na nagkakamali ako, marami akong kailangan matutunan. Naging yun nga, sabi ko kanina, naging very patient sila sa akin. Lalo na sa mga viewing, lagi na pinapakita kung ano yung mali ko, pero hindi nila hinahayaan yung confidence ko. Yun yung gusto ko sa culture ng Meralco eh. Sabi nila yung mali mo, pero minimake sure nila na hindi mo malulus yung confidence mo.
We are now opening the floor if the media has any questions.
Thank you.
Coach, congratulations. Number two spot sa Group A. Yung nga lang, you facing the number three from Group A and collectively, or San Miguel, two teams na have recent history. Coach, you're concerned na since you clinched the quarters, concerned ka about paano ka maging sharp sa playoffs, especially now, kalaban naman either those teams.
It can also go both ways, John. Parang ano it's either you'll face them now sa quarters or pwede sa semis or sa finals, diba? Semis, finals, it's even a best of seven. But alam natin na in this type of series, the deeper teams are really gonna go deep, diba? So, one way or the other, makakalaban rin namin if we're gonna go all the way, whether it's quarters, semis, finals. I think the thing for us right now is how our coaching staff is juggling dalawang how do I say this, tournaments. We have a best of five coming up, and then in between that, we'll have to play one game sa ESL, diba? And San Miguel's also doing the same thing, right? But with us, we've staff has always believed na parang you wanna come playoffs, you want to be at your sharpest, diba? So I think so far we're okay, but feet on the ground, this game can be looked at as good, but the other team's not playing for anything, right? The true test will come in these playoffs. Both those teams are gonna be hard, di ba? Hindi natin alam situation ni Adams. We know that San Miguel's gonna be ready. We just faced them sa championship. Alam naman natin yung Ginebra, iba rin yung flow nila with a lot of their good guys. And Brownlee, we've beaten the series, but Brownlee hasn't been in those series we've won. So different dimension there. Both teams very different the way they play. Ginebra obviously 4 guards, 5 guards at a time. Japet's their only big. San Miguel naman you have a lot of guys who can score the ball as well. Junmar, Terrence, Cruz, Troliano. So we'll have to see. But moving forward, nothing's gonna be easy at this point sa amin. And I think it's gonna be maganda sa PBA rin kasi madaming series. So yung rivalries magaganap. Thank you.
CJ, yung ang ganda yung nilalaro mo past 2 games, are you medyo nagulat ka rin ba sa bilis ng tuto mo sa system, knowing na kasi loaded tong Meralco, may mga veterans, galing sa championship. So, ano masasabi ko sa madali kang naka-adapt sa sistema?
Well, na-surprise din ako na naka-adapt din ako. Pero, syempre, nagpuput din kasi ako ng work and hinayaan ko na lang kung ano yung mangyayari basta nagtatrabaho lang ako. Pero when it comes na surprise din talaga ako.
That concludes our post-game press conference. Congratulations to Meralco.